Ooh, look at those oatcakes coming off the grill, y'all. Look. Make sure I get my garnish all put together before I get the salad. Hey y'all, Jamie Deen back in the chicken box with Teresa today. I'm doing an unusual, delicious, fresh ingredient salad. This is from Mom's Magazine. I've never seen this before. I've never made it before. It's very interesting though. So let's take a look. I've got 2 different types of radishes, cucumbers. We've got our shallots. We've got crushed basil that Teresa grew in her garden. Delicious local grown basil. And the dressing for this salad is very simple, y'all. I'm gonna do 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. You know, if you click on this, y'all will get the you'll get the recipe for this dish. I don't want you to miss any of it. 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. I love white wine vinegar. We've got a little bit of lemon zest, 2 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. So far, so good. I love the vinegar, I love the oil, I really love lemon zest in my dressings. It is so good, and how many times have I said it? Say it with me. It tastes like sunshine. Whoops. In the same lemon that I'm using, I'm gonna squeeze in here now. I need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Nice and juicy. One hoe cake might not be enough. That's my weak spot, or fresh hoe cake. Light dressing, okay? Oil, rice wine vinegar, zest, and a lemon. I'm also gonna add 2 tablespoons of honey. Nice natural sweetener for our dessert here, for our salad. And a little bit of fresh kosher salt.
Oh, excuse me.
Hey, Joe.
I know.
It smells so
It
good.
really does. It smells so bright
Fresh.
and light. Love it.
Like sunshine.
Just like. So into this, y'all, we're gonna add our basil. I'm gonna leave a couple of pieces out here for garnish. Our radishes, the red radishes, the multicolored radish, y'all, is interesting. See the white and the red, they look the same except for the outside. Get all of these. I'll save a couple of red ones for garnish. We're gonna add our shallot. And look at all this delicious fresh cucumber.
Give me some. It's a. What's this there?
We're gonna toss all this together. I wonder why Mom didn't put black pepper in here. Why y'all think that is? Well, how about since Mom's not here and this is the chicken box, I'm gonna put a little black pepper in here, but I'm gonna do it after we plate it. But isn't that interesting, y'all? Look, all it is just the fresh vegetables, a light dressing, and then our basil leaves. Let's get this on a plate. We are into the time of the year where this is the kind of salad that you would like to have. Light, cool, fresh. It's starting to warm up here in Savannah, y'all. I'm telling you, summer is almost here. And we're looking for ways to stay cool. You know what? I don't even need that garnish. I've got enough here. I got a good idea. We're garnishing with a hoe cake. We'll take our light, fresh, healthy salad and we'll pair it with a piece of butter fried cornbread. This is a good looking salad, y'all. Let me give it a test drive. Cucumber, the radish. I didn't really like my chances. These are good. Need a little bit of pepper. Radish has never been one of my favorite things, but with the cucumber, it is delicious. And you know, the red radish has got a little bit of heat to it. Really complements the lemon dressing with this, and you can never go wrong with a hoe cake. Delish. Y'all make this as soon as you can, and then come to the chicken box and get dough roll to make your hoe cakes. I'm Jamie Dean. This is good food. See you around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.